Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Tech Reviews from the Bathroom. On this channel we do product reviews and also we do some tutorials. Alright, happy belated Turkey Day. Now a lot of you are out and about shopping. Some of you are online right now shopping, looking for Black Friday deals. Come right over here to Amazon. You can see that you can just click a button, you can find all of the Black Friday deals going on right now on Amazon and surrounding online outlets. But did you know that some of these same products that you are seeing right here, from now until Christmas and even throughout the year, you can get these products for free? I'm a living witness, guys. Look, I have a small YouTube channel. I've been on YouTube for over 12 years, so I know what I'm talking about. I get products for free from companies all the time. If you want to know more, just go right here to my link tree. Look in the description of the video. We have our own Good Friday promo, tech reviews from the bathroom, 50% off. So it's going to go from $35. This video course on how to get these free products from $35 to about $17 using the free promo. Click on the link tree, go to the how-to course, and it's going to basically break everything down to you and what you need on how to get free products. This is the best time to do it because companies are in competition with each other. They want to get their products out in front of people, so why not take advantage of that? This course is going to give you the template, what you need to tell the companies. The hardest part is identifying which company give away products. I do the work for you. And the second part is what to tell the company. I actually give you a template. You just fill in the blank, put your information, and start getting products today. Hey, it's your boy, Tech Reviews from the Bathroom. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Use that promo code, Tech Reviews from the Bathroom, and start getting your free products today.